What's going on YouTube, it's Ronz, and today is the day that we finally put on our first car mods. Now, I know you haven't even seen it yet, but let's get to it. Look, this is our brand new daily, our 2022 Kia Forte GT, not GT line, but the actual GT. Okay, you got GT badges on it, red accents everywhere, rims, everything. Okay, like this car is nice, but today it's not just about looking at the outside of it, because honestly that's for another video, for the whole car reveal type of thing. I guess we already seen the car, but anyway, today we're focusing on the inside. Okay, so inside of here, go ahead, open this thing up. You know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. You know, get into it. Pretty nice. It's pretty cool. It's pretty calm. But see, down here in these areas, underneath here, I'll say this is brand new, y'all. Down here is dark. Like at night, it's dark. Okay, and the only accent lighting that you get is right here on the door. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little purple right now. You can change the colors. So at night, these things right here, they light up. And that's the only type of accent line that you get. Also, this little GT symbol, this also lights up purple, as you guys can see. But besides that, there's nothing really else ambient lighting wise with this car. So we're gonna change that today, as well as one more cool feature that I'm gonna surprise you with. So I don't know if you guys remember when we had the BMW, but you had accent lighting and ambient lights, right? I had the Govee video, everything like that, when I installed RGB lights in my car. Okay, so today I'm gonna do the same thing. Govee RGB. Now look, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but these are RGB light strips, and it's gonna go underneath, you know, our footwells, underneath our rear seats, so we can get ambient lighting in this car. Because like I said, this car is so dark at night, like, you can't see nothing in here, and like it's cool, you know what I mean, but I want like a little pop. And also our surprise right here, okay, it's this little device, right, that's going to display something on our windshield. All right, here we go. So quick unboxing of our Govee RGB, here we go, of our Govee RGB LED light strips, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Simple packaging. Go ahead and take these out, and as you guys can see, there's nothing else in the box, by the way. And as you guys can see right here, it does come with 4 different light strips, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, which is gonna go in, you know, 1, 2, then right behind us 3, and then right there 4. All right, so I'm gonna try to cut out all fluff, because this is like a super simple install. This got wires and stuff up, so that's about it. I'm gonna cut back to when I start to install the heads-up display, because that's probably the coolest part. So yeah, I'll be back. Oh boy. Yo, this is a lot of work. No cap. Alright YouTube, look, this is a hard fought victory, but we are done. Okay, now look, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? The only tacky part, I think, is right underneath me, because you see how I got the bar going this way, but everywhere else, it's all hidden. This is my pencil. Everywhere else, it's all hidden, all underneath. Front, back seats. And you know, I mean, it's okay. I got this little light thing right here, which is not too bad. And I got my little controller, so I can just boop. See what I mean? Change the color. Boop. Change the color. Yeah. Look, y'all. 1,000,000 out of 10. I would do this again. We finally got ambient lighting in our new 2022 Kia. Look, a little new to me. But now it's time for this head-up display. So 2 for 1 video, about to go crazy. Look, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, because this is not no easy task. We locked in. All right, here we go. So this is by Smart Product Safety Driving, I believe. I don't know if that's the name or not, but here we go. Okay, so we'll open this up right here. The device should be pretty small. Comes with this USB to USB Type-C cable, or yeah, USB to USB Type-C cable. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug this cable in to our little charge port right here, and we're gonna try to wire this around try to wire this around, maybe all the way up here, going behind some stuff to get to our heads-up display, which will be right here. Lastly, in the box, we have our heads-up display. Super cool. Our little adhesive, which will stick up onto the dash, and some instructions, which I'm about to read. Alright, YouTube, in the car, look, I believe I got everything set up nice and perfectly, okay? Now, I still got to do a little bit of wire management, but as you all can see, not really. There you go, now you can. So from my point of view, I'm a little bit higher than that, so I kind of look at it like this. But I have a head-up display. Now, yeah, I know the little sticker thing. This is not like accurate how the camera sees it, because it's not like to the bottom, like my number is actually like right here, right? But yo, I have a heads-up display in my whip. Okay, now like I said, I got a little bit of cable management to do, but I mean, me looking at it, it's not that bad. I gotta do a little work over there. But y'all, we got heads-up display. We have lights underneath our car. We can change colors. I gotta say, I think I did a pretty good job with this install. Look, y'all, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Look, head-up display, any RGB lights. Look, anyone want to send out new accessories to my new 2022 Kia Forte GT, make sure you do that. Look, y'all, it's been a pleasure. Ronz is out. Peace.